Good morning. How you guys doing this morning? If you're up, but wishing you guys a great Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving on the seismic scale started in an interesting way. First and foremost, guys, the southern part of Indonesia got hit at 6.1. Okay. I'll get back to that in a little bit. But again, I was talking about my last video that I talk about with the seismic activity. I talk about the San Andreas fault line. Santa Cruz got hit another 4.0 magnitude. That's another big quake. A couple days ago, they got hit at 4.1. They also, Northern California got a hit at 4.0. Behind that, I think close to San Francisco got a 3.9 yesterday. Today, no, they got a hit at 4.0. Another 4.0. Guys, you notice there's a big uptick of seismic activity along the San Andreas fault line. No, just to let you guys know some information here. There is a caldera called the Long Valley Caldera. It's actually, believe it or not, one of the most dangerous supervolcano in the world. Let me say that to you one more time. It lie on the border between California and Nevada. Over there where you find Sierra Leone area, it's actually, but in this case, the volcano, it's not like a mountain. It's actually more or less like a hole going down into the ground. It's a little bit different than the actual other volcano, but it hadn't erupted in like 800,000 years. It was recorded as one of the most dangerous eruption right now. Actually, one of the most dangerous eruption recorded ever on this planet. It happened in California, not in Yellowstone. Now, a lot of people might say, "Oh, Yellowstone concentrate mostly in Yellowstone," but believe it or not, all those chambers are connected. The Long Valley Caldera and the Yellowstone, it's the same magma chamber, but Long Valley Caldera actually possess a more severe supervolcano than Wyoming. Believe it or not. No, look into it. It's called the Long Valley Caldera. There is seismic activity happening right there. I'm not saying it's going to erupt, but what's happening? The ground, they're having ground swell. So magma is actually moving around in that area of California right now. So I just read an article on this yesterday, which basically means there's going to be an uptick of seismic activity along the west coast. So not surprised. Again, San Andreas fault line got hit at 4.0. This is all due to the fact that the plates are shifting, the magma is moving, and there's nothing we can do about it because Earth is actually changing. It's a living, breathing organism, Earth. I'm talking about Earth here. Yes, Earth breathe just like human being. And Northern California is still seeing some seismic activity. So basically, most of the activity that I'm seeing here for the North American continent is actually on the West Coast. Not much to worry about when it comes to the New Madrid fault line. But again, the place I'm keeping my eyes basically right over there in New Mexico. There is a swarmer activity happening on New Mexico at White City. This is actually going to affect Nevada, believe it or not. But anyway, but again, that's Alaska, Alaska. I mean, I look, I'm looking at the seismic zone over there in Alaska right now, and I got no words. This thing is just, it's crazy what's happening over there. The barrage of earthquake that's happening over there, it's crazy, but it's an indicator that there is a volcanic eruption coming, and Mount Spurs is poof well overdue. I mean, it's just that it doesn't stop for Alaska. It's just gonna continue, but it is what it is. There's swarms of them. That's where most of the earthquake went. They went there on vacation basically, and it's not stopping. Again, for the rest of the world, it's not that bad over there in Japan. Slightly big quakes, southern part of Japan, 5.4, a lot of 4.7 at the northern part of Tokyo. But uh, where I'm seeing most of the big activity happening right now is basically it's over there in Indo southern part of Indonesia. Fiji, Tonga, and every now and then it will pop up in Japan, but it's not that bad there. And there's an uptick happening over there in Greece. But you're going to see more seismic activity, big ones actually, happening over there in Japan. There's going to be an uptick around that area. Papua New Guinea also, and also the coast of Russia there. But again, West Coast, it is what it is. It's still happening, still ongoing, and there's nothing we can do to stop it. And I said before, the Long Valley caldera is seeing sign of waking up. I'm not saying it's going to erupt. The last time that thing erupted was actually 760,000 years ago. That was a long time ago. But there's a lot of seismic activity happening there. Magma movement is happening. So California, head on a swivel. There's a lot of things going on in you guys' neighborhood over there. So, anything can unfold. But it is what it is. The curbing is not that bad. Not that bad. So I hope this information helps someone. My friends over there in California and Alaska, it's not looking that good. But enjoy your Thanksgiving.